Hello and welcome to another video. This video is about sitemaps in React and how to make your site rank faster on Google. Before we jump into how to create a sitemap, let's just quickly run over what is a sitemap. So, what is a sitemap? A sitemap is a file that lists all of your website's important pages. This essentially explains how your site is structured to Google so that Google can index your pages faster. There are two types of sitemap file. One is XML and the other is HTML. It doesn't really matter which format your sitemap is in because Google can read both, but in this video, we will be making an XML sitemap. Let's jump into how to do it. So, how do we actually create a sitemap? Well, there are a number of ways we can create a sitemap. One of the ways you could create a sitemap is by using a script. Now, I have a template that I use for every script that I use to generate a sitemap. I've put the script in a GitHub repo. You can access this GitHub repo by going to the link in the description down below. Now, what we're going to do is go into generate sitemap script.js and copy the code. Then we're going to go to our code editor and create a new file called generate sitemap.js and then paste the code. Now, the code template has a lot of comments describing what's going on in this file, but there are two key things that you need to do to generate your sitemap for your site. The first is to npm install XML Builder 2. This will enable us to build the XML for our sitemap. The second thing is we need to start populating our sitemap script with URLs that we want to include in our sitemap. In our current app, we have these URLs listed in our app.js. So I'm just going to copy these URLs and put them just here in the generate sitemap file. Now we've got all we need to generate a sitemap in React. So if we head over to our terminal and run node generate sitemap, this will generate a sitemap in the public folder of our React app. You must ensure that your sitemap is in the public folder, otherwise it won't be able to be accessed by Google. Thank you for watching. The next video is about how to upload your sitemap to Google Search Console.